How to log in to Workday Walmart. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log into Workday on Walmart, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So log into your Walmart Workday account is a different process than logging into your normal Walmart account. For this, what you have to do is simply open your browser, type in Walmart Workday login. You'll find the first search result here. Now this is a direct link, which is walmart.wd5.myworkdayjobs.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down below. So when you go to this website, it will directly take you to the login page. So let's just wait until this page has been loaded up, and when you have logged in successfully, you'll be able to go ahead and then find the sign in option after the page has been loaded up. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then actually log into a Workday Walmart account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.